So here we are taking pictures in our hallway at school. So you see, like, no one here. Which way? Why did it turn red? Oh, that's so weird. Reese there, it's side to side. Over here. I'll hold my breath. Still have an issue? Yeah. What you not doing? Did you not get into get his foot propped up? No. Sai, why are you being mean?
Don't worry, he's cute.
Look at that, sexy. Picture. He's just standing there. He looks super cute today. Lay down. Yes, even adults have them. Scientopia have some too. Let me see Scientopia's back again.
What are they supposed to be?
Like, Ree has
dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs? That's so cool. Ree has like fairy stuff. What's this? Dinosaurs.
Two hands. I thought we used to look at the size pieces. So yeah. I know.
That looks like it's a t-shirt and a hat.
We got a princess and a pair of sunglasses, I think, and a castle and a magic wand. Oh. There's a magic wand. That's so cute. Yeah, we're playing with dollies. And a crown. And a shoe. Look at that. That's all Reed's right there.
And then Sai's got dinosaurs and he's got
a high heel shoe? Boots?
Oh, you can just sit right there.
Reed got a lot. Like,
well, she's got 4 for each.
yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6.
So 8 total. Dinosaur. Yeah, shoes.
And dinosaur.
They're so cute. I wonder where she found them.
Oh, nice. Got them on eBay, so it's a bit fit. I don't think she would have bought these just for us, but eBay.
It was younger. I mean, they come in different packs.
No, because she had a mirror when she found them. She said.
And she had Xander.
She had a mirror.
But this right here, this is 3 different packs.
Yeah.
Because they have dinosaurs and they have, like, sports, and then they have the princess, which is that one. Because I looked them up.
And the clothes. We like to think of that. So for those of you who don't know, this is our beautiful Ree. He is a dream doll, dream child, home career. He has a white wig from Sunny's Wonderful World on eBay.
All the way.
There you are. The shirt and the pants were made by Meta. These bracelets came from Single, and these came from Junior. The shoes came from Lex, but I found them on Den of Angels. You want to explain Sai?
Sai is a Dalmora XI.
Dalmor?
Dalmora, Dogbone. I got clothes in my head. I was looking at clothes earlier on Dalmora, but all his clothing I made, except for the shoes. Necklace I got here at Martin, because he's looking for lasagna.
She made that shirt, like, that's iron-on.
Yeah, she can read it. It's the only thing we have here is for itself. And spiders, because he's arachnophobic. Yeah. And he's got a ring.
His ring.
His ring.
It's on rings. They're amazing.
Yeah.
And the shoes came from Mingyu, didn't they?
Yes, sir.
And then
we have...
His handsome fellow over here.
This is Tobias. He's a DOC Tender 2. Same company that we use from. His clothes I made, except for the boots, which I got on... What did I get his boots? These are on Junkie Spot. This is Junkie Spot shoes. And his wig I got on DOA, but...
DOA is dream. No, it's not dreams.
Instead of angels.
Wait a minute.
But, and these aren't the only, no, these aren't the only ones we have.
No.
I have 4 more at home, and she has 2 more at home. 2 more. 2 more.
Gonna have 4 or more.
Yeah. That's gonna be fun.
Oh, that's like a pen. It's like, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ray doesn't care. About the characters a little bit, Ray is a fairy, not just a fairy, but kind of like an actual creature. Fairy, the fae kind, with the wings and sparkles and stuff. And Sai and Toby are both human. How boring now.
Yeah, Sai's 19 and Toby's 22.
Ray's 235. I'm at 16.
And then Sai's gay, he's got a boyfriend. And then Toby's straight though, he's got a girlfriend.
Flaming.
If you can't tell with his outfit, I mean, it's pink and green. His makeup. Wait, I did that face, by the way. I'm so proud of that face. Look at it, look at it. And then our friend Kat did Sai's face and his makeup. And then that's default. But you can kind of see all that.
Okay, I'll stop now.